Today I'm going to show you how to make your own Ayurvedic spice blend so that your body can heal itself. It is anti-inflammatory and it will help your body detoxify and heal itself. And it's got 3 common household ingredients. So you probably have these already in your house. One you don't have, but I'll show you where to get it. So let me show you how to make it for really cheap. The first ingredient I am using is ground turmeric. Make sure to get certified organic because you don't want any pesticides in it. So I'm going to make a small batch. I'm going to use one that's already open. So I'm just going to use 1/2 of a teaspoon. I'm going to use 1/2 a teaspoon of ginger, ground ginger, again, certified organic. Trying to make these even. Going to use Boswellia. And this is very, very strong, and I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of Boswellia. And I'll provide the link to this certified organic brand below. The last ingredient is ground black pepper, freshly ground. And you don't need to use a lot of this, just a little bit. And then what you're going to want to do is just stir it together. Now I know this doesn't look like much, but you just want to make a small batch at first and then just try it and see how you feel. And it does take quite a while to make these. So I bought some vegan capsules. There's different sizes, and the one I bought was, I believe it was 0 size, and they're kind of big. You know, it's hard to see, but this is what it looks like. So they're really hard to maneuver. So this is what it looks like. So what I do is, they do have little machines for this, but so just scoop it in there twice, kind of level it off, and then there you go. So the reason why I do not buy the blend of like curcumin is because it can be cut with other ingredients that I don't want, and they don't necessarily have the right amount of what you want. So that way, if I'm getting 100%, I know what I'm getting, and that's it. If you do not want to make this spice blend yourself, I'll put a link to a reputable brand in the comments below. Now, since these are spices, this is not a pharmaceutical drug, it's not a supplement, it's not synthetic, it's completely natural, it's just spices. Give it some time. While certain herbs and spices have anti-inflammatory effects, they won't solve your health issues if you are still eating inflammatory foods like sugar, gluten, dairy, and animal products. If you want guidance, motivation, healthy dairy-free recipes, and know exactly what ingredients and which foods cause inflammation, and what to do to get well, check out my book, The High 5 Diet.